All right, so I'm basically like a visual learner and I'm building out this business. Anyone that sees this, I'm here to basically teach you everything that I know, and this is going to be an absolute journey of what I have envisioned in my mind. So I'm going to go through this and I'm going to show you how to basically use ChatGPT in order to get, you know, organized. That's one thing that I struggle with. I'm a very like I'm really big on visual learning, and so I had ChatGPT basically build out this entire graph for me. I rambled into my cell phone in the ChatGPT app, and then I told it, please make me a plant UML diagram. So I have two types of customers, right? Um, and I'm just gonna openly share every single thing with you on what I'm doing because I've seen a lot of Instagram accounts grow doing exactly what I'm gonna do, and that's where I got the idea from. And I really have nothing to hide. I'm here to offer everything for free and help you and do and grow together. So I'm going to help business owners grow through automations using AI. I'm really good at it. I've been doing it for quite some time, ever since it came out with ChatGPT and building out, all kinds of different things. And so the business owner, I'm going to create an advertisement campaign, right? And that advertisement campaign is going to go to this landing page, right? So this landing page is what I just built today. And so they're going to come to this landing page to schedule a call with me to replace all of the systems and processes that they have in place for a cheaper price, but also it's a custom build. So there will be some sort of initial setup cost, okay? And then this would be the reoccurring monthly revenue that I would generate by helping these businesses. Now, typically a business is in the business to make money. I believe that in my previous endeavors, I've never been able to help provide by offering a solution. And I've spent the past 10 months building out all of this like structure within a program called Go High Level. And so, it's not a secret. I will be using Go High Level, but Go High Level is a huge learning curve. It's taken me 10 months to get to this point. And so I basically can replace all of these plus more within a custom build for a client. So I don't know, I'm just making up numbers. Let's say it's $2,000 a month for 3 months, and then it's $297 a month. Well, these are all cookie cutter approaches. You have to piece all of these together, and I can hand build and personalize all of this within Go High Level. So these people are going to land on this landing page and eventually book a call with me. I'll have to work on the targeting and whatnot. There's a lot of people that I follow that have taught me how to do this and be successful at this. And now I'm going to give it a shot. And my goal is to make $50,000 in the next 60 days by picking up some clients. And so this is I'm going to create an advertisement. I'll put that in another video. And then the landing page will be for the custom builds. And that's exactly what this landing page is, right? So I have two sides to this business. Once the visitor converts to a client from my advertisement, then I'm going to go in and build the CRM, we'll call it, right? And so I'll stream all of these builds in a Facebook group where I'm going to actually teach people how I'm doing this. And then I also have another group that I'm a part of called the GHL Mastery Group that I have learned all of this from Adam and Brendan. They have been a magical part of my life in the past 4 or 5 months. And so, like I said, I'm going to give all the information away for free, but there are some people that will want to do this themselves, and the best place to learn is from Go High Level Mastery with Adam and Brendan. And then I have a whole nother side of this business that I thought of as I was talking to ChatGPT, helping me build all this stuff out. Now, meanwhile, let me just explain something real quick. Every single thing you see here was created by ChatGPT, even the logo. Like, I sit down and I talk to ChatGPT and I'll record this stuff and show you how I do this. But every single thing here was created by AI. I, like I said, I'm a wizard at doing this. This probably would have taken me, I don't know, a week and a half to do this myself. I did this in less than a day. I started yesterday, and here is everything. And I have another landing page too that's on an A and B test, as you can see right here. And so the other side of this is, well, I'm going to be building this. I might as well try to pick up some revenue by teaching other people how to do this. Like a lot of people have courses and online courses. Well, Adam and Brendan in the Go High Level Mastery group, as well as this guy, Jeff Miller, these two people are like game-changing people. They are going to be just as big as Alex Hormozy at some point, I believe, just because of their knowledge. And that's where I want to come in is I want to feed you guys to the right spot, but I want to show you what I'm doing. I mean, it's not really, I'm doing it anyway, so I might as well share it with you, right? So I've also seen on Instagram, these people creating like, I'm going to make $100,000 with $1,000 by trading crypto on meme coins in the next 30 days. And so what I've learned is that people on Instagram like these journey accounts. I have another guy that I follow that actually was down here in Cancun recently that I came across that his thing is, I'm going to make $50,000 in 30 days. And I believe that I can do this as long as I document this. So I have a challenge or a journey Instagram account called NL Builds that I'm going to start posting this stuff on. And put it out there. And these Instagram viewers, they will follow my journey, right? So it's the journey of documentation, organic audience growth. And then they can land on a separate landing page that I will have to make that's similar to this, maybe a little bit more simple, where it's going to be some sort of group that they can come in, and as I build these people's custom CRM builds, I'll just walk through and just explain what I'm doing. I mean, I'll just stream it live, right? And I'll start live streaming every single thing that I'm doing, and people can jump in. And I think $27 a month is a perfect, amount of money to actually learn how to do this as they're following my journey, right? And so inside of that $27 a month, well, I've learned all this from Jeff and Go High Level Mastery. So they have affiliate links where $27 a month, now you can go and learn exactly what I'm doing. So I don't know. I don't know where it's going to go from here, but this is kind of like what my journey entails. And I'm going to start posting this stuff. So I'll post this in the Facebook group here. I have this Facebook group here. This is going to be how I'm going to drive stuff. Again, this was all built by AI. And so, this is my first post. I don't know where it's going to go, but I just spoke with ChatGPT on this, and he built out the entire plant UML diagram for me, so that I can visually see it. So I basically took exactly what I'm doing right now. I transcribed it on the ChatGPT app on the phone, and I just said at the end, please make me a plant UML code for a visual diagram to see this on paper. And this is what it did. It did it in like 30 seconds. So here now, this was the code that made it exactly what this is. And so I'm telling it now, okay, this is exactly correct. Can you make me 2 outlines? So let's start with just the business owner from the advertisement first, okay? I want a detailed outline of everything that needs to be done inside Go High Level. So I want to use Go High Level Masteries, information. Okay. Now I'm going to show you where I have this, because this is in the private group, right? So I have it right here. I'm going to switch this to my other drive. We're going to go to I think it's right here. So this is fun. I think this might be it. No, I want it. What I'm doing is I want it to follow a specific outline, the custom build workflow, right? So this is exactly what I want it to follow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything right here from right here and copy this to here. So I'm going to paste that there. I want you to follow that outline to help me get organized in building the automations and everything inside Go High Level for my new business that you have been helping me with. Okay, so this right here is going to allow ChatGPT to understand exactly what we need to build on the business owners, this column right here on the business owners plant UML, right? So the advertisement campaign to the landing page for the custom builds. So I want to place this in here and I want to get organized. So let me go back up. I want a detailed outline of everything that needs to be done inside Go High Level, right? So this is where now I have everything properly planned out so that I can get organized. Like I'm such a visual learner. Like I need it to be organized so that I can separate the pipelines and separate everything in a proper way. So here it is. So the goal is to develop a custom CRM platform that streamlines business operations, increase efficiency, and boost revenue growth for clients. Identify and address specific challenges. Okay, so here we go. This is everything, the pipelines, right? So the lead completes a form on a landing page or via Facebook, adds a new lead workflow, send welcome email, SMS, follow-up communications, engage the lead to respond or book an appointment, right? So when it's responded, the lead responds to initial outreach, update status, book an appointment, move to the next stage, secure it, right? Okay, so now, okay, this is great. Now, I want you to break down this is going to be the pipeline, each pipeline, and build it out extensively underneath inside a new outline. And this is where we're going to follow this. I want you to follow this structure with 000 and 001 and so on and so on, and then build out each pipeline. So you use that info. So I just pasted all of that, right? So now I have two outlines. I have one that's kind of a high level outline, right? So a trigger, an action, and a goal, a trigger, an action, and a goal, a trigger, action, and a goal for each pipeline. Okay. Now it's going to see. So here it is. Now I have the actual builds that I'm going to build from this. And so it's doing everything that I need to do. And so as that's happening, when I come over to like my workflow, I'm going to have, the opportunities, the pipeline stages right here. So like I'll make these, I'll just click on a random one, but I'll have 001, 002, 003. And then underneath each one, now I know, okay, well, what needs to happen? So remove 000, new workflow, remove new lead, add responded tag, right? So when I come back to these different automations, I know exactly what I need to do to create this pipeline underneath, right? So I have all the triggers, all the tags, and then this is kind of extensive, but I can go through and I can build this out properly without getting confused. Because why? ChatGPT just did everything for me. So I'm going to post this in the Facebook group and I guess on YouTube and wherever else. And so, yeah, this is the first day, and we're on a journey to make $50,000 in the next 60 days. So let's get it. I'll help you.